Been on my babies. It's your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell everybody because we're Lady over here. Without further ado, y'all, I'm coming to you with a DIY. So y'all know me, I be just looking on social media, Temu, the different apps I be telling y'all about, which reminded me I'ma do a video in the future of like the different apps I use on my phone and stuff. It's pretty simple, but why not share it? I mean, it's cool. So yeah, but I just be on my phone just looking at stuff, and I came across, well, first I see my little brother with some headphones. It's like the earbuds, but they don't actually go on your head. Like they clip onto the outer ear. So I seen those, and I was just online, and I started seeing them, and then came across a pair. I think it was by Bose and Maggie Simpkins. I believe it was like a custom pair that was made for a specific event. Y'all, I seen them. I was like, oh, those are cute. So y'all, I went on Temu, looked at different, you know, headphone options, and I picked the option that, you know, sparked my interest. I said, why not? So these are the same ones that clip on the outer side, but this is like a purse case. It lets you know the percentage where it's at. I got this color because I actually got a newer phone. It's the same phone I got, but it's just a newer version. And my phone is this color, so I was like, I wanted to get, you know, a beige pair to match my phone. And y'all, my phone case got little doggies. So cute. And yeah, I see these and I was just like, man, I'm about to create my own. So I went on Temu. I seen that you can pick those ones. And then they have clip-on pieces you can, you know, pick on there, like flowers, different whatever one you're looking for. I don't know what this little, it must be like a stopper or something. I don't know. Let me take the little clear thing out. So y'all, I went on Temu. I seen these cute little dog earring clip-ons. Y'all, my cuticles are ashy. I just did my nails and I still need to put a clear coat on them, so don't do too much. So y'all, I figure I can make my own clip-on earrings. Hold on y'all, I'll be back. I had to use some tweezers to get these bad boys open. So hold on. I'm trying to see like how I would put them in my ear. So basically, you just clip them like that, y'all. You're probably like, oh my goodness, like, are you serious? I thought these were so cute. Like, they have other clip-on options. Y'all, tell me these ain't cute. Just clip them on there. And then I got these ones so they can still charge. Because some versions of them, you might have to take the clip off and let it charge. And then when you take them out, put the clip on. But I figure just get these ones since they already open on the side. And I might have to flip that one over. I don't know. But yeah. Y'all, these are so stinking cute. And this is from Temu. Both. Now, you don't necessarily have to get the purse version because they have a different color. But y'all, this is cute. So I just wanted to come on here and share with y'all. You know, I'm always down for a cute little accessory DIY. So yes, if you're wanting to try this, wanting to customize your clip-on headbuds, earbuds, go on Temu. Now, I would say go on Amazon, other places, they might be a little pricey. But if you're down with Temu and you can wait your turn to, you know, get your stuff, because you know it does take some time, go in there and make sure when you pick your charm that you read it, because mine said 1 piece. So you might have to order, you know, 2 pieces. So you want to make sure you look out for that, whether or not if it's 2 pieces that's coming in or just 1 piece for the clip-on accessory. But yeah, y'all, here's a picture of the hip. We really don't have like the name, but if you're looking for these headsets, matter of fact, let me see if I can find it. Y'all know I got y'all. Hold on. Okay, so they got it in beige, blue, and red, and it's saying that is $9.62. Let me go to the other one. Let's see. See? And then so like with this one, it says it's a purple puppy earphone clip, a single pack. So I had to put 2. So make sure you look at that. So, you know, and they have like different ones. They even got ones that already got the clip on there. So it just really depends on what you're looking for. Like these have like a little bow on them. So, you know, this is just something I can always keep in my purse when I don't have, you know, y'all niece. You know, when I don't have my Beats, or, you know, just something just to, you know, be stylish and cute. Oh, hey, poo-poo. I didn't see you, doo-doo. So, yeah, y'all, this is my easy DIY. As y'all can see, it didn't even take that long. It took me longer because I got these claws. But other than that, y'all, under 5 minutes, if that. So I hope to see you guys on the next one. Or I don't know. Can I see how loud these is? Let's see. Hold on. Might as well. Let me see something. So it comes up as the MyQ 622. I'm guessing that's what that is. Let's see. Hold on, y'all. Oh wait, no. It's the X22. Duh, right there. So this accent on up here. X22. So it's connected. Let me go back to my YouTube page. I'm only doing that, y'all, because I don't want to get like copyrighted or anything. So let me play. Let's see. Hold on, y'all. Do I gotta have both of them out? Hold on. Okay, so you gotta have both of them out. Hold on. Hold on. Wait, your I accidentally turned it off by accident. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Okay, they got a nice little thump to them. So yeah, y'all just check them out. I just thought this was so cute. So cute. So yeah, y'all, go check it out. Do your own DIY. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.